first of all, you say you'll tell me who send you the video and who carry the issue.
They worry this Nora said.
I explain it.
Why you cost me? Why you your class? Because you mad. Oh good, they kill. You know me before.
Wow.
They worry this one.
Nora now good now.
Wow. The joy. And then I tell you, Nora, he's tense.
You're clever. You're the so good for person. You know me before.
Only say we're going. Yata mawe, ma. We're going. Ma. Why it here? Now she the matter concern. Nora, you didn't call. The Nora Kiri. As the grace. Low 50 cents away. Not be only Nora. A lot of girls for France. They not feel leave the boy. Provided me the boy offer. Now they take deceive the Gazi. Deceive them. Today now the Gazi they one side. Because of France girls. I don't know what they happen. I don't know. I've been at the train station where they know in our country. Because only one train station 98 border. You dey France like this. If you dey come, how you bought there a machine has so how you bought there a machine has so why they cry? Because more than one person don't pass. I've been at that one. Remember I don't see it. No one do I don't know. Because this thing is getting out of hand, not just Nora. If France girl don't love you, rest. If he see you will get for club, for you to face the boy, go begin the boy. He go break bottle for the girl head. I be girl if France boys they drink, then they make love to now. We.
Hello.
I speak and no
Go Nora.
Okay, but sorry. If I beg, my godmother want climb up. I beg.
Okay. Where?
Her name na Rimamito.
Maybe the one way call me today.
Yes.
Her name na waiting.
Rimamito.
pardon my ready boy.
You say Oyo. Wagumegwa.
We see.
Malaki ni beri no there. Also no. Wetin happen? When I use pidgin English, not be everybody.
I want maybe say Nora, just explain everything when it happen for Epa.
Let's see.
They hear me, just explain am as it be.
Okay. If on Saturday, they do show for Paris, so I possibly I go make up.
On Saturday, so.
Yes, last week. So before that on Saturday, you get one Ghana girl, maybe born for me saying but for 2 cute. So the girl, Ghana girl, the girl and Perry, because we can't get issue for TikTok because of 2 cute. Perry called they insult me, call they do saga. So the Perry carry the girl come my house. The girl that come my house for January. So they want to follow me fight. The video still there with me. So after those bars, they can't still come out. Then after that, the Perry can apologize. Say they don't know what happened. And the way the girl take us say I can't they bully her. That's why she can't follow the girl fight me. So after that, they me and Perry you consider we can't get shot that number. Alpha consider talk. So that very day, all of us day. I bear drink, go there, we drink, we day. Never I've seen the girl for there, the Cynthia, and then we felt no, I not talk to her. So when we day for the makeup now. The again one girl for inside they call Debbie. I can't they wash something me person send for me, my cousin send for me. I can't eat because that one they call Paris that night for that same party. So I say I can't eat. Therefore come out. I said sorry, if I read comment, sorry. I said I can't eat. I say I can't is nah the girl say why me dey is wetin happen. I say I don't understand. I don't feel is. Now your matter I tell you. So me and the girl come like one dey exchange word. The girl can't come on go meet Perry for your Perry. They are not going to go tell Perry. Before I don't know, Perry and one other girl, they don't dey fight. So I can't tell they say it don't do. There's more time they say na me cause the fight. Oh. The what say they call her the devil made day. She just slapped me. Before I know, Perry slapped me. The Cynthia for inside you push me. Now they push down and say me can't follow me. She can't follow me fight. So they activity. When neighbor can't come, the neighbor of the girl made a makeup and neighbor call come as a neighbor call say while of now they follow one person they fight. The girl call carry the neighbor call carry me go inside apartment. Meanwhile they don't fit tear my shirt. They don't fit tear my shirt the first time. So the neighbor call give me shirt here. The neighbor call say he want call police. May I wait? He want call police. Now I can say okay, no problem. So we have to call they wait for back on for where the neighbor they. I can say Cynthia only she they waka they come out. So now I can't take come down. Now I come down. Say I can't go rush Cynthia. Our two can't they fight. I don't know how their parents say she called the shot. I don't know how their parents say they can't go and come down for up. Call gather me. Perry can't come. They can't. They join the girl. They follow me. They fight. Before I know, my share already here. It can't hold video. The girl phone can't deal with me. So he said the took it. Can't they call the girl? Me can't pick the call. He can't they ask. The first statement me if I come out for a mat now. Babe, where you call day now? Where Perry? I can't cut the call. He call again the second time. Now I can't say, oh, good they kill you. The police can't come. Police can't say, not me get this phone because the phone they ring. The way I take they aggressive. Not me get the phone. Who get the phone? I can't say now the other girl. Now police can't say, okay, may I give you that? May they call ambulance for me. Or whether I will go Prophet to that net. Now I say no, I just want to go ask. Because that I sure I do okay. Now I say yes, I just want to go ask. Now I take come out. Now I take go ask. Then the video, I not come know at the video say I say as I take share the video. I don't know. I was surprised on Sunday morning. My dad you come me say they send a video. Now say who send you video? Say they send a video for Paris. Say I go the fight. Now I come explain. Give me. Now daddy come say you know say only that girl. No go fit follow me fight. Only that girl no fit follow me injure me like this. He tell mama took you say not dey possible. You know it picking. And I say okay. Now Matthew now send the video give you. My daddy say yes. Before then Matthew don't even call me that morning. Tell me say me not the shame. He don't see video when they say beats me.
Mama took you.
That money so yes. That money so. Before my dad even come call me say he see the video. Okay. Now what happen with that one?
Now see your explain as well. So it happen.
Then the come go bring Ayelala paper come say me go tell police say I want go to Nisha pikin me talk say and I pikin carry me come abroad.
Too cute mama. Come go bring Ayelala paper come for you.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Me attend you now. Means very good. Nora,
Sir?
I hear say you bully very good picking. Is that true?
I not bully pikin. Now when as I talk yesterday, I don't know Perigodi from Adam. I also did my own. He said that December, yes, now December. He too cute. They all did live video. Plus one, I'll send you the video. I screen record them. They help me screen record some. The one fake account called the right put say too cute. Barry say go report you to police. So when you take get document, so you don't go donisha you. Fake account called the right put. Now Perry you carry the matter. Say not be like we don't hear na force. You dey give boy money this that. Why they not go na force? Why you can't go report the boy for station? Must you go report the boy for station? This that. Now that time I'm me and Perry Saga start the first time. So after the live video. Now I can't call Perry. Now I call the Perry say you know me before. I can't exchange word like can't insult each other. Before she called that live video, she can't insult me. She can't go post my mom picture. Really, I not repost a baby picture and swear with my life I not post her. But my godmother here post the picture. I can't climb up. Can't they do saga? The only person picture when I post now the baby father picture.
Your godmother posted.
He posted Perry, he matched Perry picture because Perry can't they cost my godmother pikin. So that one still post the pikin. But me not post the pikin. I know, but I let talk say I been at 2 kids now you born for, and now be the bully when you say I bully pikin. I say I been at 2 kids now born your pikin. I not post, I not bully. So then they can't follow me fight for January. According to her, she seen her because of that.
You not
She
tell me
can't
you
follow me
paper.
fight for January. Wait now, they talk, they come.
But the fair way.
May you wait.
That would make she explain you won't finish.
Now she can't follow me fight. He can't go they post my mom picture. Now they can't go give her a juju paper. Say why they post my mom picture and not post her mom. Why she can't they post my mom picture?
Okay.
Then they can't give her juju paper. She never go. Yes, now wait till before this one come happen. She, after everything, she can't apologize to me. I can't tell her sorry before this recent one may happen so on Saturday.
All right. Very good. Very good.
Yes, I hear you.
Yeah, fair.
Good evening.
Yes, good evening. Explain.
Okay. So one day, took you day live video. Now Paris all of us day. Anywhere this girl dey, he go say one donation took you the shopping money, took you the do and this, they do and that. Everybody for Paris, you know, girl she never tell say she want donation took you. You understand me? So what we they wait for? Make she donation took you, make we call rest. Now we dey wait for Paris. So that day, I enter took you live video. Fake account they comment say took you police they find you. So auto the ticket na my friend. Let me come to say why police they find too cute. If police they find too cute, they know where to cash am. Then Nora dey on that comment section now. Nobody with a real account or with a fake account in the comment section. Let me come to say if relationship no let una do for Paris again, e no hard. May you move on. Me myself, I say now the Paris me day. Boys they follow me. Why did you know they work for me? Why now Leona did you they work for? If you don't want to do again, you say no work for you again. May you come up for the relationship. As I talk and so, now Nora send request. So cute, what is all this? Very good, I not know you before. Why you go they talk to me? I saw the live video say end. 2 o'clock in the night, I dey sleep. Nora call me by 2 in the night. She dey shower road, they hit camion. Very good in. I go deal with you. I go beat you. Pompier go come carry you.
You shut up. They are shouting.
Very.
No, I want talk as CBO. Me, I know they life anybody else.
Explain.
He said she go beat me. He said she beat me finish. Pompier go come carry me. As they talk the things, so I can't go live video. I can't put her for live video. Immediately she noticed that she did live video for TikTok. Then they hear what she they tell me. Now she can't end the call. Saga can't continue. Rimamito can't join her. Me and Rimamito now. We don't forget our matter before. I know this here for Paris. You understand me so?
But very good way to wait to be camion. You talk camion.
Camion na motor where they do a shower for Vince.
Okay, camion.
Na car where they do a shower. I be
Send the video. Voila.
So Rimamito now. But people say me down one don't say get problem now.
For Chateau Rouge. You never do a shower for Chateau Rouge.
Na okay,
Nora.
You shut up, you leave a shower. They talk with you after they make sure a shower. Because
Na
you
lie,
yourself
you shower, you know what you dey do.
you na a shower. At least
Nora.
Bessie better pass.
Na lie,
Bessie better pass Chateau Rouge. Bessie
Nora.
Na lie, na
better
lie.
pass Chateau
Nora.
Rouge.
Na lie, we talk truth. Na truth we come here call
My
talk.
God, what are
We wash our dirty pants.
That come you
We must talk truth. Truth must be told to a nyoge. And what do
Yeah.
you want?
Continue.
So as he don't cost my mama that night, I say he want go beat my mama. He go send him mama go beat my mama. Everybody know me, I get people body. He don't cost my pikin. Say na him boyfriend, I born my pikin. I don't already dey verse. We can't dey saga each other. During our saga now I see why I can't see and say, I dey saga Nora. See why I can't call me 2 o'clock, I take work. He can't explain everything when Nora and his friends they do one. Since he born for too cute. She can't they send me the voice record, they call and they go gather. And okay, they go gather, they go they swear for this girl and he pikin. Make him pikin die. See, bring your WhatsApp number. Make see why they send you voice recording. No be say see why no fight Nora back home. Where she go come? She go come up. No be say see why no fight Nora back home. Now tell me I tell you what. They fight each other. You understand me so? Unto say Nora don't cost me now. Me can't take side. I can't choose side with CY because Nora don't cost me. Me and Nora Saga don't already dey ground. Now why me take side with CY? So as I take side with CY now, our saga continue. Nora can't send me. I can't cost Nora mama. Nora cost my mama. Nora can't bring Ayilala paper for me. Nora come send me juju paper. Say I curse him mama. I say him mama they born for here, born for here.
Hold
But she
on.
herself curse my mama. Oh.
No forget to. I bet not be the silver way they Italy. Oh. Now that
No,
silver.
na see why they na same thing where they from.
Now that silver be this. Continue.
So as she send me the juju paper now, I can't get to call my family. They don't do the juju paper. They say na nonsense matter. They can't dismiss the matter for Nora hand. So after they don't that paper body when Nora take give me juju paper now, you don't carry my mom see waka now. Now I take tell Nora. Me and Nora come dey chat very nice. Now she come dey call me say mama dead body. I come to say barren woman. Now I come to say if it's short for you, drop your address. Not be to make matter go mount you for house. Nora come send me her address. As she send me her address now, me and you the two saga. You dey send me your address. You say na joke, they send me your address. Me myself, I know they joke now. Now I come buy tickets. As I buy ticket, now I come ask CYC. You want join me because I want go beat Nora. I dey go Nora house. Now I see why I say she go join me. Now I see why follow me come Paris. Now we take go meet Nora for house. As we go reach Nora house, I can't call people say Nora say he go beat me. Mona tell her she come down. Nora they come down. Nora carry pepper and knife. We don't take my phone. Take on down. Say one stabbing me. Person where you want to stab now, you don't know as that person today. You understand me? So maybe the stab no go enter because who don't already die. If he stab and may you no enter, may you no feel am. You get me so? That's why I take beat Nora, join knife and pepper that day. I be think say she be, you know all those women when they stand for Ashawo road when they get power, when they go beat
No, they talk say you beat. You don't drink it.
Muna put this girl now for to Muna put some my talk finish. She don't talk now, nobody cut her church.
Nora,
I was thinking that she be strong as Ashawo.
You should be lie.
I was thinking for this girl as strong as Ashawo, she go kill me that day. I wait till I think I want to go fight my mates. But when I go reach where my mates, not be my mates now. This one shot in the ground. She not be my mate. She not reach. That matter happen finish. As I reach house, I post the video. I post the video finish. People come they call me. You know if you don't do what's in your mind, finish, they come they call you. You can't realize your mistake. Immediately come they call me. Now I come to say, this girl, what I go do so you know good now. You understand? I can't verse for myself. Say, I told they overreact. You know reach like that. Now cost me, I cost you matter.
Yes.
You know reach to go beat. That it was okay. When I conference Nora join call, I want make peace. As I conference and join call, I can't apologize. I can't say Nora, now you fair cost my picking. Now you fair cost, now you fine. Okay, now me tell you that they say, may you live too cute for live video. But now you come in for night, they cost me. Now you fair cost my mama. Now me fair post your mama, but now you fair cost my mama. Oh yeah, I did sorry for everything. That day, so people many for corner say I really apologize. For how many hours? We talked this matter for the whole day. And they say, okay. Nora say, only way to go make her happy now be say, she and CY must fight. Make I, now me go see record there. Now me go help her post her. He and CY fight. Now I say, okay. Me no go fit go call CY get 2 children. Me no fit go call CY come say, me and Nora come fight. Anyway, if you see CY, if I did there, run enter her. I go record for you to stay happy. After that incident, I just see why I dropped Nora near body. She they call me, and they call her. We they talk everything. Even her friends call and say, why you go settle with me and all of that. We make peace. He make peace with me, but she no make peace with CY. Is anywhere where she for CY they go die. Okay. My friend they do birthday. CY come. CY na my friend. He come. Nora come up for house. He carry 2 polo. One polo na to fight. The other one na to wear. Okay. When party don't finish, Nora say one fight. Then Terry Ginger where they Paris. They can't gather all of them. Come, I don't know what they do. Nora no dey there. As I just enter, I saw Nora they cry. Say they curse her. And okay, I don't ask what happen. Nora na my own abi. We don't already settle. I draw Nora with my boyfriend. We draw Nora put for taxi. Direction where to my boyfriend's house. We reach my boyfriend's house, we sit down, we talk. I tell Nora say don't do me, calm down. You understand? Now so Nora say don't do. Ask her she dey here. After she do her taxi, she go her house. That one pass. Her go to Valentine party. Nora go meet one girl, we know the girl, we know the CY say You just see why they curse me. Come outside, may we die. As I say, come outside, may we die. Then that one come meet me because they don't say me know the two of them. That one say Perry gods. See Nora say one fight me oh. Now they go meet Nora. Say what's happen? Nora say na see why friend. Enjoy see why they curse her. Now so me they go meet. If you see the woman, big woman oh, you know small. Now go now say sister, you don't do. You want to fight for house and you get children for house. The woman come home and say Perry, come they explain to me. Now I say no worry. Let me draw Nora. Will still be my own no. Now I draw Nora. I still do taxi. Me Nora no fight so. I carry Nora come up for there. Enter taxi. We still go where? We still go my house. From my house again, Nora to taxi, go back to her house. Okay. I did one day. She called me said she don't give Beyonce juju paper. Me. No, people they talk to me go tell her say go withdraw paper.
Who be Beyonce?
Now too cute first baby mama.
No, they hear, they understand and
She give the details. She give the details. Say na so too cute Beyonce cause I don't know what's in there too. You don't give her juju paper. Now me say okay. I not call you for that one. You go come party. I beg. If you don't say you go come, no fight so. When we go enjoy. Because this girl know they come outside. Only way they do not to stay house, they fight for too cute, they quarrel too cute. Now because we go enjoy. Because everybody when they call blood they there. Michelle they there. Debbie they there. Me they there. Or your followers go party. I mean fight her. She be no one go the party. Now me tell her say she there with me. Okay. We reach. They say okay, my house now in they close. Everybody go come my house. We'll cook for here. We'll go eat. From my house now, we'll go do makeup. I tell Nora, even before Nora come my house, even before 2 weeks, it was an option. See why I go come my house. If you don't say you know come my house, may you know come. It was an option. They don't force you say come house. Nobody come your house, come drag you, say come Perry go the house. She already know. Say see why I go there yet that day. Okay, Nora come, she dey come. We tell her say buy drink come. We don't already the drink before she come. He buy 5 bottles of vodka. We put her for here. Video dey my phone. I fit show you all the videos. We drink and the vodka they drink. So this one, so it die. We drink vodka, 5 bottles of vodka. She buy turkey, everything we chop. Not they happy. We they do video. We they happy. No fighting. See why I come. I don't know what's happen. They say he dey fight see why trouble. I don't see with my eye. So I know if we talk now. Now wait till I see I go talk. As I talk, and as I carry Nora go down, we go meet my visitors for down. We reach down, we explain to we just laugh, everything. They say Nora don't really find trouble for hope. Me no see Nora find trouble for hope, oh. So I know if we talk, say Nora find trouble. Now so we take do taxi. Nora, maybe you can't dey go. You say she no go. She no go enter the center. That's okay, while I know they. See why you they go. 2 of them I know fit dey here again. May one person they go. See why I stand up, see why I come out. After a few minutes, me do my own taxi. Nora enter my taxi. We go makeup artist's house. We reach makeup artist's house. Me, I tell Nora, say, sit down, make her do your makeup. Makeup artist talk to me the way I not tell like. Not me and makeup artist start to the exchange words. Makeup artist now my friend. You understand me? So if my friend talk to me the way I not tell like me don't high. We just the exchange words they go. As I did there so now I carry my things come down. I know they do makeup. I know they go party again. Nora na leg they pain her. She use that one leg. We start slippers. They run. They follow me for back. Perry don't do. Perry don't do. Now even Nora herself and my friend, they made me come back. As I come back, we can't go up. I got sit down for parlor. They vex. They talk say, I don't like the way she talk to me. I don't like her. Now in they come with me for parlor say, Nora don't they find trouble for inside room. Oh. Immediately so I stand up. I enter inside room. As I enter inside room, now I say Nora don't they find. Now I know see Nora find trouble. I know fit turn. I know they there. Now say wetin happen. Nora say he no do anything. He no do anything. Let me say okay. Wetin happen? They explain say Nora they swear with Bini. I know be Bini. I know they understand Bini. They talk the word when Nora talk for Bini. So I don't understand what he mean. He say he means so who care everybody. You understand? Nora come they talk say he don't block we one block. You know, now they call it and say if you want block us, you don't really send. We don't really send you for this side. You know they feed anybody. Michelle one verse now. Michelle the first. Now me enter Michelle first. Michelle one hit some. I don't feel like you. Now tell Michelle say no now. And Michelle come to say, okay, don't do. Michelle come rest. You not touch. My friend went to that place that they tell Nora, they tell and say, you shut up, you shut up. That one verse. Me tell that one say, he don't do. Now no the verse for person with leg they pain. No be you they massage the leg for and just now for that. That's why I say talk the matter. So now me can't tell see why I say, if 12 na no na one fight, when I gotta go down, go fight. No before inside this house, no one for fight. See why I say yes, you go fight. Now me can't tell so yeah, may you they go. May Nora follow you, may you go fight. Nora sit and she no move. Say you wait us anytime when you see this girl, when I go die every time. Nora no can go down, go fight. The matter pass like that. So one time they call me for palace, say, Nora give person something. Nora say make the person give her the thing back. Now I ask Nora, you say me she give you back. Nora say no, she no talk. Now I collect the thing from Nora hands. Now I give the girl. Now I say may you take. You come say the girl and I bet we get pepper body. So me na come say she dey talk to Nora anyhow. Now me tell her say you take me you rest. And that destination like why they throw the thing give the girl so. Now she say push me. Let me take slap the girl. Me and the girl fight starts. Okay, me and the girl fight finish now. Nora can't carry me go corner. Now you cause fight oh. She waiting vex me oh. Now you cause fight. You know they hear me so. I don't fight now. Nora carry me go corner. Ah, mommy, you don't do now. You don't do now. Now that vaccination, I me tell us okay. Una say una want fight. Oh yeah, see why Nora. Una go down go fight. See why I saying go fight. Nora say she no go fight. Let me tell Nora say for the past how many months now. You say you want fight CY. Oh yeah, may you go fight the CY and make me record for you. May you for see post say your hand don't meet CY. Nora say you no go fight. That destination so now I take draw CY. Now I take draw Nora. Now 2 of them I follow step. I draw 2 of them. I draw these 2 but no 4. And they draw them they go. Now I tell my friend say pull them out all them come down. May they go fight. So they draw them they go so. Now see neighbor come out. Now I say leave them. I go up. Nora now say you want to do that thing they come out. For our mind, Nana, Nora don't come out. See why I come up. See why I do her makeup. See why I already finish. Say you want come out. They go meet 2 cute. It almost 30 minutes done. Almost 2 hours don't pass. So see why I go down. Around 2 o'clock in the morning. Nora start for down. They wait for all of us. Smoke contact. As you see why. Now I go meet her. See why. If people say he come, and you get to hear me. As he see CY. He be like say he hit CY or I don't know if they do CY. He collect CY chain, I collect CY phone. So now the chat when me come here for up, now me take count down. As I take count down, now me come tell CY, say what's happen? He said Nora collect my chain and my phone. Now I take go meet Nora. Now I say give me the phone and the chain. He said she no hold her. I put my hand for Nora 2 pockets. The chain no dey. Now I tell CY, I say move find the thing for grand. I'm gonna find the thing for grand. Now I see why I just say no, you go give her the chain. No, that's why I see why maybe you go collect your chain. You understand me so? Now I see why I go meet Nora. Then they start to the fight. You know, girl, what I do be say I tell the women when stand for them say if they separate the fight, me with them go fight. Because these 2 people say they want fight. How many months we don't they beg Nora, make Nora no fights now? This baby say sharp body day. This baby say she want die. Let me tell those women say make una no pull hands. Make una no pull hands. Una no fight. Now in this girl and this boy, this girl can't they fight.
That beat, I get that beat. I person want to go for beat.
What is that one?
Even if I don't get power, woman don't feel your blow my face like that.
That's what they do. If there's someone that could fight,
no math all of them they make oh. None of them get power. Now people will make math pass a lazy group of people.
You don't explain finish.
I never explain finish.
Yeah.
Now in I call tell me say Perry, you so you say na me find because I call the tell person where they phone which is too cute. Now Nora find trouble. You understand me so? He said, now you say na me find trouble. All your children go they die for your hand. The way your first pikin say die. That destination where you talk that word so now take clear and come up for grant. I don't lie you. As I take clear and come up for grant, she come for see why I can't rush her. Come pin her for grant. So as that the neighbors can't separate the fight, she can't stand up. She can't talk say, "Una God that beats me." Now me come talk okay, wahala note. Now take carry CY phone. I come the record and I come and say, you go fight the CY and make me record. Una. Go fight who they fight you. No, I no gree fight again. So now what's happen with that? Anybody we not talk, we talking and saying we gotta beat Nora. Make the person come beat me for house. I dare you, come help Nora beat me.
Okay, very good.
No, I don't talk finish.
Okay, mute yourself. Godmother of Nora. Udawaya. Godmother of Nora.
No, I dey hear you. I dey hear you, sir. I dey hear you.
You get what you want to talk.
Hey, pa, this whole matter so where they use they talk so. The way Perry Fete tell me from the beginning, Perry tell me say he slap Nora, but inside all the explanations since say Debbie slap Nora. Inside all the explanations since me never see that place.
Okay.
That place they miss for inside everything where they talk so. And that one I me get when me want just mostly even talk for the matter. Because the fight before me, when me see the record, what they take record Nora, now Perry na me fair call. I call Nora no pick. Now I call Perry, now tell Perry say, wetin happen? I believe say everybody don't settle this matter that the one can't go they fight Nora. Instead of that Nora they mad. Who fights Nora? Say now only see where now I fight Nora. Now I say really? He say yes. I say you sure? So he say yes. Now then she come to the explain for me. And she dey explain, she make mention of say Debbie slap Nora. But today now, Perry still repeat the same thing where all of us the conference call today say Debbie slap Nora. But Debbie say na push, na him push am. Now them me not want to get this matter clear, pa.
Okay, thank you so much. Nora. You want to
Sir?
You want to add join. What's Perry talk?
Sir?
You get what you want to add join. What's Perry talk?
Epa, all wetin Perry talk, me I thought say the only one may be truth for inside wetin Perry talk. Now when he and that girl take fight, then when all of us they happy they drink, now let that part now me I know say be truth. The rest na 100% lie.
Okay. Very good. Where's the why?
My network.
I beg my friend they say me you had see why name na your crush. The other one name na Efe. They don't say request. Your crush and Efe with flower. And then na Efe, she can't get flower emoji. And she be Debbie. They don't say request.
I beg, I'll me look for her for comment section. Me bring her come, I beg. Your crush.
Debbie, may you comment again. Efe, comment. See why may you self comment. Michelle, may you comment.
Okay.
She don't comment at me.
Okay. You don't send request. If you don't send request, you need to okay. Now the FAB right?
No, be she be CY. CY na your crush. Yes, CY, you know they here.
See why? I don't see your crush, oh. Now let me see. Okay, if a day with another day too, right?
I should be busy.
Epa, good evening.
Yeah.
Epa, everything where Sophia, you say Perry confirm to you say me slap Nora. Nora, you did this call now, Nora. I bet you to go bring juju paper come say now I slap you, I push you. Bring juju paper for me, Nora. Make I swear, say now I slap you, or I push you and see where. Mona go down, go fight as Perry they push you now.
When I did drag you,
Epa, I drag Nora. I never slap Nora. I don't see any reason to slap Nora. I only drag.
Okay, why you push her?
Because Perry already they push that they go down, make they go fight. Now say even make no be let me push Nora.
Even the makeup artist push all of us. All of us, they push ourselves, they go down.
Who be makeup artist?
The Nancy, so now she be makeup artist.
Yeah,
She
yeah.
push. I don't know whether she dey here, pa. She push everybody. Now me tell Nora say, as we see the Perry they push them, we don't already push. Now me tear CY shirt. I drag CY come down. I tear CY shirt. Nora, you go down. Nora, no one go down. I no slap Nora. I no dey fear Nora. If I slap Nora, I say I slap Nora. Now I push Nora. Make they go fight for down because neighbor already they come. They say who they shout for their ass. What I want slap now? Even Perry and Joy na fight. Nora and CY never even fight that time. They never even hit each other. So why would they slap Nora?
If you see why face, if we send you video, you go understand.
They never even
what happened to Nora and nothing.
They never even get contact to knock each other that time, pa. When this way happen for step. Sophia, so you say you dey sure. Say Perry tell you say I slap Nora. I did
wait.
Don't tell you say you dey sure. You say na wetin Perry expect for am. You shall be say dey sure.
Debbie, no come dey shout for you. No
You
one
know
come
dey
dey
shout
shout for you. You not a wait. Not a wait.
Calm down, my talk.
Debbie, I want to answer your question.
Okay.
You ask me question, I go answer you. You say if I dey sure. Perry said the moment where you see her face, according to the explanation, when she give me the very first, they say the moment you see her face, say they don't pitch her face. Now that vaccination, now you take slap Nora, push her, say me they go fight.
Perry,
if I like this night, me Perry talk by itself now.
I am I talk. Now wait till I talk. Now wait my talk, I beg. Now wait till I talk, okay? I say now wait till I talk. Say he hit him, but she said now push her for back. Give me. Now wait till she talk. But now wait, I don't think on the life for anybody else.
You say now push her for back.
Yes, now wait till she talk. Say he push you, give me. Now wait till I see. Yes.
There is
So voila.
Okay, what do you see?
Now, nobody.
My sister.
Wait now.
I dey draw you and Nora come down. Okay, I don't fit tell you what I see. I felt like she hit you, but she said she not do one. If she say you hit you, bring juju paper, come, may we swear, put.
If
Why by say go give me juju paper? He hit me.
She no hit you.
Debbie slap me. The same word me you tear. The same word me you tear my godmother. Now the same thing every happen. That first word me you first talk the very first day when my godmother call you. Now that same word.
Nora, bring juju paper.
Let me truth for what the same
Mama,
way
you bring juju paper, make she
give and every
swear.
truth.
Make I swear, Nora.
By
Make she go
yourself go
swear.
give yourself juju paper. Me not me go give you. By yourself go swear.
I
By
beg.
yourself go swear, my sister.
Mona calm down. Bet very good. Mona. Lady J, you still join them? I be yours there. Hello, Lady J.
She no join. Ma beg another person dey
I no
comment
join.
Michelle. Another person dey comment and then na Michelle. I beg mona bring Michelle. I beg.
Because you still there that Abby.
Yes, she did there. Michelle did there too.
You not too need from them again. I just to don't hear from you and from mother. Okay. Maybe the rest
Okay.
of them mute. Now, Nora, now you now go still blame for everything. You know why? Because I have told you indoor, even before you know your godmother. Say, may you stay away from Kevin Too Cute. Say, if you not stay away from Kevin Too Cute, it go drain you and you feel lose your life during the process. May God not let you lose your life. I made an example saying, say, nobody will not stay without anybody for this life. Because this life, now you come, you go. Now, you want to go to get issue. You better go to mute. After I don't go to do place and everything, una make sure that una settle. You not settle, we see where. You call the tell Perigodi, say anywhere way for CC where it will beat am. Whether they set you up now, they not set you up now, we not go fit talk now, see what I see, because we were not there. But I thank God for your life. Say you not pass there, or they not finish you. or they don't carry bottle to injure you. Because person where you and don't get issue before, if you and them settle, now sense and wisdom, now they comfort, now they come, they use to follow that kind of person. Now, may God not let bad thing happen to you that day now. Waiting for tell Baba God. Waiting for tell your mom, because I know how much your mom love you. Everybody mama love their pikin. But waiting for tell your head. Waiting for tell your head. Nothing. Because if you say, well, dress where this problem for start, you still go meet Kevin too cute. If Kevin too cute, they hear make it they hear me. Kevin too cute. If na charm you use for Nora, release her, it should go. Because this is not ordinary. I have begged Nora to leave you severally. And I have begged you to leave Nora too. May Nora forget peace. May you forget. You be musician. You carry guitar follow neck. They play. Nora, they talk this thing out of anger. Say one day she go donation you. She know they carry the talker. Now the things where you do her, then make her the talk. Say one day she go donation you. Maybe you don't shop her money. Maybe the promise where you promise her, you not fit fulfill her for her. Maybe you tell her say you and your baby mama Beyonce no day again, and she still defend her say you and your baby mama still day. Maybe because of the benefit where they collect from her, but I beg. 3,000 people are watching me tonight. Wait till you know say you use for this girl. Go remove the thing. If now where you tie her put, scatter and tear her, pieces on. Make Nora forget her sanity. Now, I don't want to go into issues of mocking children who start them and who not start them, because according to Perigodi, he says she doesn't apologize, and Nora doesn't apologize, and they don't settle their own. Now, Nora, now you are going to stay a verse. Because if you know the date, DJ Kevin too cute. DJ Kevin too could know the life. May you call the club up the questioner. Say Perigo declare the platform. All these things, I go still beg your godmother. Make your godmother make her verse you. Thank God now say you don't get godmother. I know how many times I don't averse you. I don't bring you and Kevin too cute matter on this media. We don't carry juju. We don't carry Ayila. We don't go juju place more than 10-15 times. But you can't pay me say now two still a date on code. Meanwhile, Kevin too cute never still live.
Abeg, I want to add to what you talk. You remember say the very first time when this saga come for Facebook, say now waiting cause quarrel between me and Tukis where I can't join you. They fight for this particular game. You know if you go remember. Where Tukis come that live video, come they insult me, I can't they insult Tukis. Because me and you they fight for Nora.
I remember, no, Nora.
But you know they did one place.
Okay, I
always
listen
here.
now. I want to show you one video when we
try they did one place for your life.
Nora, wait. Let it go to
okay.
If you want to show the video, show us. Fair mute,
I want to show you, yes.
Fair mute first, fair mute. Lao, Miss Berry, Nora, I did beg you today. Apart from the godmother who is still there here with her, anybody who can know Nora, or if now for you to carry too cute go Ilala, me na go talk for that side. Say if you get anything they do you, make it free. Because this one with me they talk so that your ear they follow. Before next 2 months, you are too cute just today again. Now we just forget what thing just happen. And we just continue. We're not born for each other. Assuming you born for too cute now, say okay, now the picking they band you now together. You get look, they for kill you last weekend. You don't know is who. You don't know it will be like. You were surrounded with people you call your friends that were not your friends. Maybe some were your friends. But as far as you don't already talk, say, and imagine you carry 2 polo come for house, 2 polo. No wonder there's anyone that come Germany now, so that not they go. Because Germany no go to.
I no bring 2 shirts comot for us, so Perry, talk wetin you know, make Ogun no kill you o. Na one shirt I wear, na neighbor, that
You
neighbor,
see the
neighbor
way
na
they
give me
the
shirt.
cost now. If I go your house now, go
Na
pass am
neighbor
again,
give me
beat am
shirt.
again, and they go start not fit.
But no, they talk that
Now,
way.
so they
Now
dey
what
cost
they vex,
me,
me
oh.
no they want they hear that
Now, so
one.
they
Go
dey
go
cost
meet am.
me, oh.
Go meet am for house, you
Now,
beat
so
am.
they cost me, oh.
It's
I
only
like
they
you,
talk say they
eh.
vex me. But
I
tell
like
me they
you.
say many. But
I like you,
me no
Nora.
talk
I
am
do like
again.
you.
May only
Say
you
they
want
cost
come.
Maybe you go and ask
Only
them, you
you
go and
go
ask again.
because I go go
I
only
don't
one go come.
understand.
I feel drop una 2 friends. May I leave only your godmother for here. May I leave only your godmother. May I drop Perry and Nora. Now, if you see the way this matter happen, Perry wrong. Miss go Nora wrong. Nora feel say because they dey Europe, because forget now France. You can't send your address to Perry Gold. Yo.
If I no get no verse, you see that first explanation where Perry fair make your stand. She lied about it about that live video. That live video that day, I did that live video and
No,
I see
no,
guess
wait.
I see get clip of that live video.
Your mother,
Sir,
I want to ask you a question. Is it true say Nora send her address give Perry Gold?
I quarrel with her. I tell her, I say, now the biggest mistake you don't ever make for your life is that. Why would you send your address? And I know even there aware before Nora send that address. I was not aware. The thing shocked me.
No,
As me they yet. When we
wait,
hear the matter, let me take go meet Perry for live video. Perry say yes, they don't beat some.
fair wait first. Miss Berry, now 2 things, let's save you. 2 things. 2 things. Because you sending address to Perigodi, even if you say police come for that thing. Now let God know it's Perigodi will tell police. You know they speak French like that. You know when you enter France. Perigodi don't dey France before you come France. Perigodi they shop French. She people left for you and say you threaten to do anything. That's why I see your address for here. If your formal allegation formal for your head, now your address give Perigodi the confidence to come up for us.
Ipadomo.
Now Mujane, hold on, my sister. Wagwan. Now the address when you say Perigodi say no level. Now you say level 3 because if first you reach the France, believe the user the paper they go say now person way if reach any place at all. Now you know the way the system of that place they operate. Normal advice, Perry not supposed to come meet you for us. But if you say me wanna go judge her for police, it go show they say you and a friend. He know your house. If you even deny you say if they pass the street they go now you rush and you beat them. Because the address they your phone. Your house address their phone. Now you send the address. Then the other hand, why I say Perry wrong, Perry you know say na Europe. Now you dey. You're not supposed to go to her house.
But Perry no fit talk that because he carry second person.
Now when you call
nobody.
the come, wait, godmother media, when you call the come, you did not come alone. You see where Perigodi for finish Nora, Perigodi not come alone. Because he don't know how Nora take wait for her. He can't come with a squad. He can't they tell they say, Nora say go kill me, oh. You know those sympathetic ways. Take boost his squad, follow body. Perry not come alone. And not believe Perry beats you. Are you there alone? People come your ass. You get advantage, but you not come get advantage like that. Because if they enter inside the case, now you send them address. So if you tell police, say, "Mona help me out this girl," I can't tell her, send, I can't know her house address. We be friends, you're the person, you rush me. That will begin the fight. If you call the talk, say, now you say, welcome beat me for us, now I send that house address. You don't use your hand to put yourself for problem for France. Etadi. I don't want to call etadi for France.
If I not believe say Perry go come, she feels and I just normal curse me, I curse you. She not believe.
No, but see,
But you, I feel know your house. May you come my house, come fight for inside my house. Police go come. You come, you be my friend. Why you come fight for my house?
hold on, my sister. You know, see, you now we did them here. The German system will be
Because the record now inside Nora house. No people say outside. They enter. If you see the record, the Perry enter inside. They open that first door, enter inside, fight them.
See, may I tell you something? The system of Europe, you know they allow any person come up for our house to fight you. But as far as say there was a text message sent to Perigodi, Perigodi go win all for court. Now here we dey so. Except you don't know the system of Europe. He go win for court. Hell, he go win for court. Because number one, not I know they speak French. Perigodi they speak French. And you will be a godmother not go stand with her for court. You go let the advisor for phone, they let them they know. Yes, it is against the law. Say you come ask for follow me fight. But do you know what Nora might have told her by sending her that voice record?
Maybe not. I'll still get voice record the part 2.
Normally, Nora did right. The Perigodi did wrong for them to come fight. But if they reach court, Perigodi fit change the thing for Nora head. Say they be friends, so they just come together, or they just they don't do they just fight. Perigodi not go, he not go tell police say he come from distance come fight with Nora. He go say no. He go say they be friends.
Where records full social media, but no gay. When she did a confirm and they hit her for her chest, they talk her.
Now, Nisi get
You never see record they grand now.
Very record over here.
Godmother, beg, give me 1 minute. Epa, why I come up?
Continue. But before we continue,
Yes, sir.
we tell too cute. May leave this girl.
And that boy need to leave that girl.
Because since this girl tell no too cute, this girl not get peace. Every joy.
Yeah, I'm back, Shiva. We need to see her. Epa, beg, me want to talk something. That very good friend wey talk say na shit here that girl shirt, and you imagine you tear her shirt, you push her. That means na set up. You tear her shirt, you push her. You know say this girl breast don't dey ground. You not still carry for record her.
Exactly.
Without no shirt. Babe, but you okay? As Nancy said, there are two that they fight. If na two really need peace, since una many for them, one go take Nora go one side. One go take that girl go one side. Una fit set one for inside that Perry go the room ask there. If na really want peace, if na not really get her for me, so na want deal with this Nora. Now it make you push her go outside, tear her shirt so that now go deal with her, so that make police no call Perry go the house. And you imagine use your mouth to say
Nora see the settings of that place.
You say you tear her shirt. After you tear her shirt, you push her outside. Then una go meet her for outside. Now don't have to go finish her. Babe, you know if you thought okay, you see say that girl breast dey ground. Una be woman and I see carry phone, see record that girl with breast don't dey ground. Una too do now.
See, wait, AB, you
Una too
don't
do.
understand.
She not say that.
She not say na Nora share. She said she tear the other Ghana girl. See where. And at the same see where go still leak the video come outside.
They beat una Nigeria sister.
Go still leak video come outside.
Ghanaian we never, Mama Bear, wait. Ghanaian will never do that for us. And I don't live with Ghana people. Even Ghana hate their sister. If you they find out their sister, they go join her. Una join Ghanaian, they get una own Naija babe. I think say Ghana go do one for una. Ghana no go do one for una.
As me dey so me no I not really there, but the thing when I still talk today for group call.
Una see say her breast dey ground. Una not supposed to record that where her breast dey ground. It not make sense like that. Mo talk truth, I don't want me want talk.
Now me I tell the Perry today say therefore try to separate the fight no matter anything.
Therefore try to separate them. No be that set up. No be one person beat that girl.
When you go for fuck up, when you go for the fuck, they say anybody where you
other talk finish.
Anybody where you other fight, you will beat them.
Epa, nobody separates my own fights. I feel send you my face. I feel send you my face. I feel send you my face.
Bless.
My face,
Now
joy
the
don't finish
face
my
you
face.
dey do, oh,
I don't use
revenge.
blow
Nobody
finish joy.
separate your
You see
own.
my separate joy. And my see Epa, I carry wound. Joy carry wound. Nobody let no wound una see. Now when they talk, all of us carry wound. Nobody separate my own fight. I no go separate them no own. What why they separate? No, can't stab me. No, that they come that they carry knife, you put her for pockets. My can't separate. May they come kill me say I go separate fight. I no go separate. Anytime when they want to fight, may they call me. I did. I no go separate.
Okay, very good. In case of
Person matter go stick, he go stick by you. Na person matter must by you.
you know what I want to beg you for now.
Yes, Epa. Epa, may I just show you the video fast.
Yes,
First way we gang up beat. We gang up beat.
TikTok go allow the video. Now put it
No, not be bloody video. Na just normal video.
Yeah,
Wait,
no.
see am.
Perry, I call the show for that video. I call the show.
He
I
no
call
go
the
show
show.
like that. I no go. I want cut am. I want show Epa because when I say we gang beat Nora, I beg. My put the volume. Who the gang beat?
Perry,
Una
not be
dey see
here
am?
they would they talk about.
No,
After
no, we
year.
show the video for here because we
brother.
don't gang Bruna. Before we come Nora come house, we don't already gang am. See am for here. See Nora. Now my house be this. Now who we gang up beat be this? Now me dey ground so. Now Nora be that. Now Michelle be that.
May you delete my video come out for your phone. I beg you to use and say do.
I no go delete am. Dey here for proof.
Okay.
See me as when they use glass. When they use glass. Glass. And black so. They turn now. Man, summa well. I feel like nobody video me.
Epa abeg. See am.
Yeah, now they tell me you not show this video yesterday. You know they hear words.
Sam.
Very.
Perry, go. This is how you they bring this video. If me analyze this video for you, you go tire because the video now only not our face they show when not they drink alcohol. Why una not put in our face when they put the alcohol for mat? Many una purposely give an alcohol before una come fight them. What you make I have analyze the video for you,
Godmother,
sir?
this is the reason why you need to advise your goddaughter to be careful.
You want to they bring this video?
You need to be careful because you know why. Fine and good.
See, now I talk one thing. Anything where you want talk, anything where you want talk, Madam Godmother, not truth. Not truth.
I know they support anybody. I know they tell you say that video not be waiting you take bring as proof say you wanted defense una not do anything. I don't analyze that for you. Say if you want bend the video, you fit bend
now.
now.
You dey Italy, oh. Now you dey Italy. Now you know the way I don't say they fight for Nora for France, oh. Now you dey Italy.
Me, my sister,
If you
me
don't
for fight for me.
phone,
You
shout.
don't be you dey fight for me.
You know how many
You dey
Miss
fight for
God
me.
friends
Now
dey
you
call
go
me
now
for
you
my
now you
phone.
carry video
Miss
go dey
God,
share
no dey
video.
shout.
Now you go dey post video for your
No dey
status.
no
Now
dey
you for
shout
fight.
again.
My Nora,
No
just
dey
post my own when you get. More
No
with
dey
the situation and they go.
Me no
No
go
dey
post your
shout.
own. Continue
Oh,
to dey post am.
Nara,
People dey wait for
leave
you
am
now. Your constant will took it for post and
Nara.
therefore they wait for you.
And
No,
I
that
go
person
stand.
wey- person
I
wey
go
put
stand
una
with
for
my
up,
future.
so
You
na
go surprise
two
the
mates.
woman wey go stand. You go
And if
shock
person wey
una
put una for
na
up, so na
dey
two
Ogun
mates.
na dey Ogun for Ogun.
He don't do Nora.
I don't reach.
Now you get mad pastor, you don't get power. See why mama you go here the form victim.
Perry, he
Godmother,
don't do. He
You
don't
get the
do.
loudest voice. One small power you no get.
Mother.
Then
They
mama
follow
you
you,
the
they
form
follow
Sir,
victim.
sir.
If you want fight, make you dey try to dey come alone. Nobody dey follow me.
Okay,
You wanna dey come one by one. No dey pack place in dey come say you want come fight. You get sense at all.
Nora, calm down. Nora, calm down. I know say you don't know. You know say if person does the verse, but in case of next time, as I go advise Perry go there, make you not go person house. That's why I go still advise you. Because when you can boy fresh video, and in one people will call you out this.
Epa, I beg. I want to beg you and use this opportunity to say, help me beg Perry. Code. Even when we dey for group call to the Perry, see they talking again, say, if he verse again, he go see go meet Nora, see go mash her for. When I tell him, no, they do that thing, it's not good.
You just talk, I know, I'm not sure say go again.
Because mother, we shall be made a beggar. Made a beggar.
No, they
Get mad fast. Now you get mad
even
fast.
though me not they come your house again.
You're
If they did do anything, they not fit.
Very good.
Okay.
Man, I know they
If
do
you know
it
it, I
again.
don't do you.
I'm going to before you
If you know it, I don't do
may
you.
buy
If
ticket,
you
may
know.
reach France. You don't blind.
Okay.
Now, calm down.
You they confirm now say you before you me go reach fan you go blind. You don't do.
Mother, Nora.
Analyze. If you
Your eye
analyze,
go
don't call
turn you.
police.
No worry.
Nora.
If you analyze finish, you go.
No worry.
Perry, as you they talk and they don't call the police, I mean you go shoot gun for her. Me all of na go soon.
Yes, na, make we tell her na,
since
make go
we
shoot
respect a pie no get.
Make go shoot go for head. Make come follow to you stand.
Mother,
When they hear the way this girl
God
get mouth,
punish you.
if this girl too get mouth, if this girl go talk you where you go take care, you don't know. You too
Very
get
good.
talk.
very good.
This girl too get mouth, mad.
Me and you don't talk pass for years.
God,
Me and you don't talk.
May God not let Nora die. Will you be happy? You will not be happy. May God not let you die. Nora will not go there happy. Because we are not there together, eat together, drink together. Okay? And I don't know you to be a violent person, very good. Please, make this matter die down like this. Yeah.
Thank you, Pa. Thank you, Nyoge.
Godmother of Nora, please hear me talk to Nora. You see the party where
I go see they continue to they talk. I go see they continue to they talk. Now these two cute man, I don't tell her she there here. I don't tell her. She don't promise to say she don't go back again.
Okay.
If I might talk one thing before I go, I beg. Me I no cut word for my mouth.
Okay.
I know they me Perry. I know they shoot bird, Mama go come fly. Even if I shoot bird, Mama go wait. You understand me? So yes. Too cute no they find Nora, Nora they find too cute. I know they fear Nora. I get proof. Now Nora they find too cute. May bring juju paper. Now it's happy too.
Okay, Epa, wait. Person where
They talk truth.
Wait, person where they need to find person and now not they find. Wait, now go talk
Epa, no they say that one na
Epa,
no they say that one na true, but you don't know. Na me dey find am.
Not that you wait, sir.
Bring one proof, just one.
Why you be
Bring
say,
one proof, come
sir?
out.
You know why I said that truth?
Bring one proof, come out.
For that one, I don't know about no.
If I go tell you the way it says up for my president. The apple for my eye.
Wait first, very good.
Bring one proof, come out. Just
No,
one
I mean you.
proof.
No,
Bring
you
one
mute
proof, come out.
yourself.
If you bring one proof, come out, very good.
yourself.
Bring one proof, come out. Say I lie.
Mute yourself.
Very good, I beg you first, I beg. Calm down.
No get proof, you did so.
Mother of Nora.
If fight too cute, come out for Italy conference.
Epa, I'll vex come on for you. Me come on for you to person we know the year. What be not a problem?
They don't meet, okay. When I meet very good. See, you know why I say the one way very tough man are truth. No, na ask Nora, now all of us there, and this one be WhatsApp. Even my wife, me, I don't advise Nora. Severally, say, Nora, you be nice person. You get good heart. Leave. You go say, my wife, you know, before you know, they don't do it again. But that one you go help me do. I felt they know that life before you come as a governor. That's why they tell you these things. So, no, I don't fit tell me say I dey lie. You have to know where you are.
If I beg, before they go see cut me, make I remind you, I know that take come France.
Wait,
No, that call us for live video say, you want some donation to do for France. Nice to take
Oh
come
my
France.
God.
I not go ever forget.
Wait, very good.
Very those one don't pass. You rest.
Good then. Moderator now drop very good. Mona wait. See, I beg. Mona bring her back. Only waiting and want be say that one so Miss Dora. I go beg your godmother. I don't know as I want to beg your godmother. Now we need the mother. Now I beg. Anything there where you fit it cut here and took you friend.
Epa, before this fight happen again with this two matter, I don't talk. Me no call no. Epa, me little bogele no. I don't know. Why they talk?
Before you come.
I don't tire. Epa, I'm tired. I swear.
Please wait, Perry the toss. But you see that one is true.
Okay, Epa, wait. May I talk one point? Okay. Too cute now go say okay, like he no want again, Nora say no want again. Why too cute he go they carry friends go they beg Nora? He go they send record where see why say they cry. When they test see why say he no want that one again. Say na Nora he want. He go they say na they give Nora.
When Nora say the day when too cute go beg her again, use the first day beg her. Make he send it home. Nora said that to me. He go beg too cute to go and worry. May God be too cute. What women are hey,
Epa, you know say na too cute send Nora see where address the baby mama address. Say na give Nora say me Nora go fight the baby mama.
okay. See, Beyonce. What are you?
Not be Beyonce, oh. Not be Beyonce. See where Cynthia that Ghana girl.
That Ghana see where?
Yes.
Ghana see where? From Kumasi, I've been out there for come.
If I beg, if I go fit talk, you tell me say I go fit talk. My talk. Thank you.
Take Too Cute away. We, Silver, Sito Play. Take Whiskey Too Cute away. Goldie is I said Goldie. Nora is a young girl. Allow Nora to see a man in France. Better boys de France. We go love you, Nora, for who you are. You be fair girl. Too Cute not go marry you. That's why go you do you, eh? You go drain you. You're old. 10 years to your age, you don't old. They look your step and say you young. 10 years later to this your age, not right. And that time you tell me, I know you they talk this to that time. I beg. Anybody will know this Nora number. One they tell her every day, say, if Too Cute beg you, come tell us. Because this is not ordinary. The funniest part is Too Cute can't go beg this girl. We know the year again until they quarrel. Meaning, he get what she they benefit from her when they make her the same friends called the beg Nora. For Nora to use the wisdom, they expose those guys.
Epa wagamo ye perigodi, but because anytime when they settle, perigodi they always they know. Wagamo your boy.
I beg go more now you go. No, now you be Nora go mother. Can't for now on. No cut me. I beg go. Now you be Nora go mother. Now you be Nora beg. And you know Nora well.
Perigodi tell you now.
After today, like nobody call me for anything.
Because now you took you the good information.
How will you be?
Even the tell information.
May give your goddaughter information. Give your godaughter information. Not your
Give me
godaughter.
the tell information.
I
Give me the
no
tell
man,
information.
not
I
cut
to
myself
say
from
tell
now
everybody
on.
information.
Anybody will come and now call police. I go donation.
They play.
Very good, you go do me one favor. I beg. If Nora, write me for TikTok. If Nora go back to Too Cute again, let me see.
Epa, make I tell you something.
Don't tell
Make them
me.
no call. Two of them, make them no